I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both iPhones and removing barriers to sync. Sign into the same Apple ID or ensure both devices are in family sharing. This is how calendars can be shared. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices see one another quickly, and open Settings then Calendar then Accounts. Make sure iCloud Calendar is toggled on for the account you want to share. This step publishes events to the cloud so the other iPhone can pull them down. Now you perform the actual sharing inside Calendar, which gives control over who sees and edits events. You tap the Calendar's info button, select Add Person, and type the recipient's Apple ID or contact name. Choose Edit if you want collaborative scheduling. Once invited, the other iPhone must accept the invitation in Mail or Calendar. This links the calendar to their account. Make sure they have calendar syncing enabled under Settings, right arrow Accounts so events appear. Finish by confirming the shared calendar shows up and that new or edited events propagate between devices. This validates the link. If events fail to update, force Quit Calendar and toggle iCloud Calendar off and on to trigger a fresh sync. That often resolves transient issues. If syncing still fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. This reestablishes account access. One key troubleshooting tip. Check that both devices have correct date, time, and time zone settings. Mismatches can prevent proper event synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.